once you download the step-by-step guide and have a look in there, you'll notice how closely it maps to the modules and the content that we're presenting. And we spent a lot of time and a lot of back and forth trying to go through this guide and distilling down some key points of each module. And so I think it's a nice flow that follows through the curve process and through all the steps that you'll kind of see in these modules, but it puts it on paper in kind of a concrete but very kind of distilled format. So you can walk through, you'll see the module content and maybe even a little bit more concise but helpful information. And there's also an example that walks you through each one of the steps and kind of builds off that learning agenda and shows you how you kind of build the steps through to kind of complete the curve process. So, you know, I think while it looks like a big document, we fit a lot in that can really be a good companion resource to the module. And I think what you'll find is it's really a complementary guide that just might emphasize certain points or kind of helps provide a little more guidance, doesn't introduce a lot of other material, but I think it can just be something that really strengthens your understanding when used in conjunction with what you're going to see in your modules.